Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a building ring in Freecad. So first of all, I'm just going to go there, there, and there, and pad it, and 40 millimeters, done. Then sketch, and making a building. It's not a lot of space. Yeah. Actually, let's go back in time. There. Oh, well. So next I've got to do even bigger circle. And an even bigger thingy. Close. Oh no. Oh, fish. Let's create a new one. Let's do that again. I need some space, that's why. First of all, and there. Now 60. 40. Now I'm going to do that. $90. Well, I don't want to do this potential harder to my life. Anyway, there, smaller square, no, smaller one, there, escape, there. Am I just saying there like a bunch of times? Well, if I am, that's not my fault. I'm just like that. Anyways, I just create another square, small square, because that is the tallest part of the building. And yay! First building done. Now I've got to create a house. And first of all, square, escape, square, done. Now let's pad all. Well, I mean, yeah, that looks good. Oh, let's go there. Anyways, and now I'm going to, now we've got a. I need to make a, some more buildings, cause this is gonna be like the industrial side of the ring. I wonder. Oh, yeah, and I've also got some. I want to create a ring Oh, well, that was my fault. Escape. I wanted to create a ring with a crescent-shaped building, because I thought it would be pretty cool if it was crescent-shaped. Escape. I'm going to do that again. Please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me. Anyways, now why? And I'm going to, just like, create. And now I just need to do it again. There. And there. And there. And there. And there. And there. Where's my sketch gone? Why? You know what, that's it. Let me just create some houses now. Why am I padding the pad? And now I am going to just make a bunch of like these squares in a row so that it can, now another one there, and another one, and another one. I'm just gonna create a bunch of squares until these are my houses. Actually, these are gonna be some. No, escape this one. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. Let me click escape. There. I'm going to just do a bunch of squares until it looks like a building. Bunch of buildings together. Yeah, there and there. Now I'm gonna close, create pad, and put about 17. Okay. Now, if you look at that, that actually looks really good. And I'm just going to, well, yeah. So that's all. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.